Welcome to a very gentle, seated mobility movement session. We're gonna move with real focus and intention and connect our breath to each and every movement, creating mobility and bringing incredible presence into each and everything we do during this session and throughout our day. Breathe in and out. Sit up nice and tall. Really ground your feet. Sit with integrity through the whole session, nice and tall, so we can decompress our spine. Let's go with both hands now. Float the arms back and forward. Begin to move your upper body back and forth. Think of moving like a wave. Breathe in and out. Look up to the sky. Continue to build that great mobility in the upper back, upper spine. You got it. Last one here. Hold it for a second. Look up. Just hold it. Yeah, smile. Shake it out for a moment. Sort of shift your body weight from side to side while you shake your arms out. Maybe the shoulders started to get a little fatigued there. Ooh, yeah. How lovely. We're moving our bodies today. How blessed are we? Let's come into prayer and twist. Sit up nice and tall. Head up high. Breathe in and out. With each breath, can you sink just a little bit deeper into the twist? Can you sit a little taller? Turn your head and look to the side. Notice that monkey mind. And when it starts to focus on what we're going to have for dinner tonight or what happened in the news yesterday, just notice, nope. This is the time for movement, connecting to my breath, calming my nervous system, smiling. Oh, one more here. Great. Now stay in prayer. Bring your hands to your chest and gently bring your knee up and just bend ever so gently. You can breathe into one side, out to the other. Getting hip mobility when we bring our knee up here. Mobility in our lower back, as well as building wonderful core strength. Just be here now. Short and sweet session. But this is the most important thing. And this is, now this, yeah. Okay, one more. Yeah. Ooh, keep your hands here. Bring them out now. Make sure you come to the edge of your seat. And you're going to nice bend. Breathe in when you come up. And exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. And see on that exhale, if it doesn't allow you to sink just a little bit further, breathe in, sit up a little taller. Exhale, get a little deeper. Inhale, a little taller. Exhale, down a little further. Find a flow and just go for a few here on your own. Really connect to your breath and to your body. Exhale, I invite you to just hold it here for a moment. Maybe drop your hands, sink a little deeper, feel that in the lower back. Can you get a little deeper? Just a little further, find that edge and go just beyond. Oh, rise up. Well done. Back to prayer here, and single-handed, just like we began, except reach the arm up. Nice and high. Breathe in and out. I invite you to start looking back behind as well. Great big exhale. Just a little bit of that tension you're carrying with you. Dissipate just a tiny bit on the exhale. One breath can make all the difference. All around you is chaotic and hectic. One conscious breath really can ground us, bring us into the present moment. Reach up just a little taller, a little higher. Yeah. Ooh. One more to each side. Oh, excellent. Ooh, shake out the arms. Move your body very dynamically. Smile. Circle the body. Breathe in and out. In and out. And out. Reverse the circle. Breathe in and out. Feel that in the lower back. On your backside. Give your glutes a nice massage here with this movement. Can you get a little bit further? Ooh, yeah. Okay. Lovely. Let's finish with this most wonderful of movements. Come into prayer, step your foot out, big circle with your arms, and come on back. Step to the other side, big circle, and come on back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, sit up nice and tall. Inhale, bend forward as far as you can. Exhale, sit up tall. Last one here. Sit up real tall. Maintain prayer posture. Really elongate your spine. I invite you to close your eyes. Just take a moment just to feel everything that you've done. Just notice the sensations in your body. Bring all your presence, all your attention right here. The mind wanders. That's just what the mind does. Every time you bring it back, that's the exercise of meditation. Mind wanders. I notice. I guide my attention back to the feeling of my body. Just do that over and over and over again. Develop that inner resilience, that mental strength to be present, to pay attention, to be here and now. I love movement, but the movement and then some stillness. There's just something truly incredible. I am so grateful to you. Let's do it again tomorrow. What do you say? It's a deal. Goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow.